출산이 많이 힘들어요? 많이 힘들어요. 배가 많이 아파서 힘들어요. 잘 할 수 있겠죠?
화이팅.
화이팅. 화이팅.
I put her in standing for LDR, but I talked to Dr. Condit, and she said she can actually go home and then come back for around 2200.
이거 어떻게 해야 하는지 모르겠어. 안 열려. 그냥 이렇게 하는 거. 기내식 같다.
많이 힘드시죠?
힘듭니다.
병원에 온 지 16시간 되었어요.
16시간째 고통을 느끼고 있지. 지금 무통 맞아가지고
지금은 에피드럴 맞고서 보통 천국을 즐기고 있습니다.
근데 자꾸 그 프레셔가 너무 세서 1초 후에 애기 나갈 것만 같다.
힘주면 바로 나올 것 같은 느낌.
Good job. You're doing great. Hi, my dear. Are you okay? Bryn just wants me just to double check when we do pelvic exam. I'm going to see if there's any more cervix that's left there. Because if it's just bulging membranes that's there and we're fully dilated, we can actually start pushing. Yeah. Okay? Oh, okay. Yeah, those are just bulging, hey? Yeah, yeah. Jay, my dear. I know, lots and lots of pressure there. Okay. The core waters are bulging out, my dear. Okay. Good job. Jay, I need you to open up your legs, okay? Your membranes are just right there. It's okay. I'm sorry. No, don't apologize. I don't know if I can actually check you with the membranes how they are. They are so bulgy. Do you want me to call Jack? I'm gonna call Carrie and let her know. Yeah, I think we should call somebody. Yep. Yeah. I'm gonna call people. I can't push right now, right? I don't think so, but you know, I'm very curious to know if you're fully dilated or not. Am I calling Dr. Lee for delivery or for Carrie's on her way? Hey. Hey. Sandra's not here.
Sandra's not here yet.
Okay.
Like the head doesn't look low enough. I haven't actually gone to check her, but those things are
Turn
just
some lights on
bulging.
here.
Yeah.
Let's take her fully out.
Right, okay.
Oh, hi.
Can I change?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, we say that and then TBD if that's for real. Okay, relax your legs open for me. Lots of pressure here. You're gonna feel me touch. Oh, that is right there. Yeah. You can just do that. Yeah. Okay. Give me a push. Go. Right down. No noise. No noise.
Yeah.
Take a deep breath in like you're going underwater.
Grab behind. I want you to let go of him. Grab behind your legs.
Your legs.
There, you got it. That's it.
Good
Strong and
job.
steady.
Good job. Good.
Okay, take a
Another
deep
big
breath. And again.
Yeah.
That's it. No, hold your breath. Hold your breath and go longer. Harder. More. That's it. Good job. There you go.
This soaker is not gonna hold. No, we'll get a new soaker.
Good job. My brains are gonna drive me
Yeah.
crazy though. Okay,
Well,
so wait for the next contraction. What I want you to do with the next contraction is 3 pushes, okay? Deep breath in like you're going underwater, hold it, and push right down into your bum. After
So you
10
can actually-
seconds, exhale, deep breath in again,
You can
and go
actually
back
sit
at it,
there
okay?
Underneath the pillow when she's pushing. Yeah. Yeah, you don't have to do just yet, but yeah.
Deep breath in,
Fully
hold
down,
it,
fully down.
and go. Chin to your chest,
Right
pull
down,
back.
right down,
That's
right
it,
down.
amazing.
Go, 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 go,
Harder,
go, 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 go.
harder, harder.
Do you want your girls to
Keep
get
going,
water and play
keep
this?
going, keep
Okay.
going. That's it. Okay, take a deep breath. And go right back down. Go hard. Gotta go right back down. Hard, hard, hard. That's it.
Keep
Yes.
going. Good job, Jake. Go, 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 go.
Right down. Good stuff. Harder, harder. Keep going. Oh, you know what? She's got a lip.
Oh, she does.
Yep. Okay, stop pushing, stop pushing, stop pushing.
Oh, no, she's really good.
Okay.
She's got
You've
a
done it.
little bit of pushing maybe
Yeah,
to do,
sure.
but
Let's see.
yeah. There was a little lip that I think I pushed.
You're pushing. Yeah.
Okay.
I think.
You're doing very, very well. She does have a picture of each other.
Thank you, Danielle.
Thank you.
Thanks, Mary Ann.
Okay, when you have contraction, you push, all right? We're going to see the baby soon.
Okay, great.
Okay. Okay, good. Yeah.
Go long and hard.
Yeah,
Pull back
right
on
here.
your legs.
Pull back,
Good.
pull back,
Pull back on your legs.
Go, good job.
Good work. Yeah, she's doing great. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, you keep pushing. Yep. You see the baby. The baby has hair. Okay, good. Yeah, she's pushing well. Great. Okay, thanks for remembering. I'm going to go next door now, okay? I'm going next door.
Okay.
Okay.
No!
Good
work.
Great.
Good work.
Well, 6.5. That's the most popular size. It's not in this room.
That's the problem.
Good job. Push, push, push. Right down, right down, right down. Pull those legs back. You're doing so good. We can see top of baby's head. You're doing great.
You want a sip of water? Do you want any water before the next contraction? Give her some water, Dad. Water, give her a sip. Okay, take a big breath in.
Big breath. Right
And
down.
push.
Push your fingers
2,
right up.
yes,
Good.
3,
Excellent job.
4,
Excellent job.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take a big breath. Push again. You got it.
Right down.
Good.
Excellent
2.
work.
Beautiful.
Excellent.
3,
Yes.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more. Take a big breath and push.
Excellent
Good.
job.
2.
Good work.
Beautiful.
Good work.
3, 4, 5,
You can do this.
6,
You can do this. You're doing so well.
7, 8, 9, 10. Do you have one more? Give me one more. One more. And good. 2. Keep going. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Relax. Good
8,
job. You can do this.
9, 10.
Oh,
All right.
excellent.
We're going to break the bed.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Good. Okay. That was very good. Okay.
Okay, the bottom of the bed.
Pushing.
The bottom of the bed is coming away, so keep your feet up in these stirrups for now, okay?
And knees relaxed if you can. There, good, good, good.
Yeah, you're doing great. That was very good pushing. So you want 3 or 4 good pushing. And we're going to see Haley very soon. Yeah. Yeah, put that somewhere. Leave the shoes out of the way so we don't have wet shoes. Okay, just going to... Okay, you have one. Go for it. Okay, push. 2, 3. Come on. Yes. 4, 5, 6. Keep going. 7, 8, 9, 10. Take a big breath. Again. 2,
You can do this. You can do
3,
this.
4,
Good job.
5,
Good job. Good job.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again. Come on. Big breath. As long as you can. 2. No, the bed's good for me.
I
Okay.
just need to find these call Pete's.
Oh, I see. Right. Oh, she had fentanyl?
Yes, she did.
Okay. Yeah. Call Pete. Yes.
Yep.
Okay, come on. Push again. And one more time. Push. Bottom down. 2. Big breath. Push.
For fentanyl, please.
Good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. All right. close now, okay? I know, take another sip of water. Give her another sip of water. Okay. Take a big breath in. Push.
Push. Right
Two,
down. Right down.
3, 4,
Push.
5,
Good job.
6,
Good
yes,
job.
7,
Good job.
8, 9, 10. Take a big breath. Push again.
Right down.
Push. 2, good.
I already called
3,
So good.
4,
I called
5, 6, 7,
Good job. You're gonna have a
9,
You do it. You're doing
10.
so
Take a
well.
push again.
One more. You can do this.
You can do at least one more. Good. 2, 3, yes,
Good
4,
job.
5, 6. One more time. One more. Give me one more. Push. Bring those legs up. Good.
Right down.
Two,
Good. That's it.
3,
Excellent job.
4, 5, 6. Yes, keep going. 7,
Was it 3?
8, 9. Beautiful. 10.
Good job. Good job. Catch your breath. You're doing so good.
Okay, just breathe. You know what? Just breathe. I'm gonna ease that head up, okay? I'm gonna ease the head out. The head's coming, the head's out. Okay, good. Beautiful. Okay, all right.
We're just gonna bring a blanket over here, okay?
There's a new cord I'm gonna loop over. Okay. Look at your baby. Look at beautiful Haley.
I have a leg.
Good. Okay, there's your beautiful baby. Okay. Okay. There she goes. Excellent. Oh, 10 IV, please. Okay, yeah. She's beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay.
You did it. Congratulations.
Put her skin to skin and get rid of the icky wet one. She is beautiful. She is beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna put a dry cloth on her. Okay, great. Okay. All right, Dad, you're gonna take the scissors. Not yet. We're waiting 60 seconds. You did it! Congratulations! You did such a good job. Yeah, I know it was a long haul. Today's a good day for me. Thank you. We're in a minute?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Excuse me. Yeah, we're gonna take the cord. Okay, here it goes.
Yeah, you did
All right.
so great.
All right, Dad, you got a cut right there. Beautiful. Yeah, they got a picture of it. I'll take the scissors back. Thank you very much. Beautiful. Yeah, they got a picture of it. I'll take the scissors back. Thank you very much. First degree would be not that deep. You would only see it here. Okay, it's a very small second, having said that.
And you said
This is cervix. So likely, my guess is that she probably was maybe pushing on it involuntarily. Maybe, who knows? It'll just gonna suck back up. All right, that's what it looks
and you
like.
don't have to do anything.
We don't know anything about it. He's just bleeding. You got a suture. You do nothing. It just sucks back up.
태어난 지 14시간쯤 됐습니다.
그런가?
새해는 엄마 쭈쭈도 많이 찾고 잠도 지금 잘 자고 있고
똥도 잘 싸고
응가도 했고 기저귀도 한번 갈았어. 그리고 좀 예쁜 것 같아. 입술이 예쁜 것 같습니다. 입술이
옆태미
입술이 도톰하게 아주 곱성하게 예쁘게 생겼어요. 그리고 아직 잘 모르지만 콧대가 있어요. 코도 오똑하고 근데 코끝은 동글동글합니다. 옆태가 예뻐요.
옆태미야.
근데 입술이 진짜 예쁘다. 카메라로 보니까 입술이 되게 예뻐.
내가 원하던 거야. 입술이 예쁜 딸.
입술이 진짜 예쁘다.
엄마가 립스틱 많이 사줄게.
아주 잘 자랄 것 같습니다. 예쁘게 잘 자랄 것 같아. 태어날 때보다 그래도 좀 얼굴 미모가 좀 잘 보이는 것 같아. 태어날 때는 찌그러져가지고 짱구 같았는데 지금은 아주 예뻐. 앞으로도 더 예쁠 거고 다 예뻐 그냥. 얼마나 착한지. 얌전히 있어. 메롱할 거야? 안 해?
메롱도 잘해.
예뻐요. 네. 아이고 엄마가 쓰담쓰담 해주네. 나중에 새해가 크면 나중에 다 보여줄게. 어릴 때 이만했다고. 엄마 주먹만 해. 얼굴이 엄마 주먹만 해. 그리고 3등신이야. 귀여워. 무럭무럭 자라렴. 사랑한다 딸내미.
사랑한다.